Hello students, today I am going to tell you advanced feature of Photoshop. So let's start. So firstly we will open our Photoshop. Firstly we will click on start button, then write Photoshop in search box and click on Photoshop option. When we will click on this option, our Photoshop will be open. Now we will open any picture. Then we have to use advanced features of Photoshop. For this we have to use healing brush tool. Then you have to click on healing brush tool. After that, if you want to heal your picture, firstly you have to click right click of mouse with alt key. When you will click with alt key, region of the image which you want to apply to heal. After that, you have to click and apply healing on the region of the image that needed heal. Next is patch tool. This is your healing tool, like I'm doing. Heal your picture like this. After that we will use patch tool. For patch tool we have to use option patch tool that is available with healing tool option. When we will click on here, the two options will be shown. Next is patch tool. The patch tool copies pixels copies from one region of the image to the other. Here some option given like source or destination. We have choose here source, then select the source. Then we will give another place, our patch will be applied there, like we have to choose destination. Now when I keep my patch anywhere, it will be applied where I'll keep my patches. It's applying here like this. Now I'll tell you about clone stamp tool. The clone stamp tool is used to create a copy of the selected area and stamp it to the other areas. For this, we have to press Alt key, then right click of mouse. On which area we will click, mouse key with Alt, or that area will be copied. We can increase or decrease our brush also by right clicking. This is cloning is going on. So firstly, if you want to clone your picture, you have to press Alt key. After that, right key of the mouse, which area you want to clone. After doing this, you can draw your mouse pointer anywhere in the picture. Your clone will be created. Now I'll tell you next option like blur tool, sharpen tool and smooth tool. This tool also available in toolbox. This is your blur tool. By using this option, we can blur our picture. If you want to smudge or sharpen, you can choose from here, like I'm choosing sharpen. Sharpen tool is done reverse of blur. The smudge tool is used to mix colors in an image. So if you want to mix your color, you have to choose smudge tool. You can increase or decrease your mouse pointer by left clicking of mouse. Then you can Mix your color in an image. Now I'll tell you about sponge tool, dodge tool and burn tool. The sponge tool saturates and desaturates the color in an image. The dodge tool lightens the dark region. The burn tool is reverse of dodge. So let's start how we can do burn, dodge or sponge or picture. Firstly, we have to choose options from the toolbox. Like this is our sponge tool. I've told you this sponge tool saturates and desaturates the color in the image like this. It's smudging. Now we will choose dodge tool. Dodge tool lighten the dark region like this. Now I'm choosing burn tool. The burn tool is reverse of dodge like this. If you want to work with layer, for doing the work with layer, you have to open tool of layer. For opening the tool of layer, you have to click on window option, then click on layer option. In window, this is your layer option. When you will click here, layer toolbox will be open. Here, firstly you have to unlock a picture. Simply you have to double click here, then press on OK. Your picture will be unlocked. This is your unlock picture. If you want to create new, simply you can press Ctrl J, or you can drag this layer on new option that is available on the bottom of the layer toolbox. Like I'm creating new layer or duplicate layer. Pressing Ctrl J, it's making. This is your new option. Simply you have to drag your layer in this option. Your layer will be created. If you want to delete your layer, simply you have to drag your layer on the delete option here. Your layer will be deleted like this. Using filters, you can choose filter to add different types of special effect to an image. For applying filters, firstly you have to select the area where you want to apply the filter, then choose filter menu, and then you can choose any option from here. Like I'm selecting here in filter option sketch like this. Here we can give smoothness, details and light directions from here, bottom left, top right, like this. When we will click on OK button, our filter will be applied in selected area like this. You can give another filter also, like here given many filters. You can choose any filter. If you will not select the area, your filter will be applied in your whole picture. Like I'm choosing here grain type, any type we can choose from here. We can give here intensity, contrast, then press on OK button. Our filter will be applied like this.